Ever wondered how to create your own personal assistant using Python? Well, buckle up, because today, a journey into the world of Python programming awaits. A journey that ends with a personal assistant, designed to auto-reply on your behalf. To begin, it's important to understand that Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on code readability. It has fewer steps when compared to Java or C++, making it a language of choice for many programmers worldwide. Creating a personal assistant using Python involves a series of steps. But fear not, it's a task that's perfectly manageable, even for those just starting on their Python journey. First off, it's necessary to install the Python programming language. Head over to the Python official website and download the latest version. Once installed, you're ready to dive into the Python world. The second step revolves around installing a Python Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. An IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. There are several great options available, such as PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. Next, install some Python packages. These packages are libraries of pre-written code that perform common tasks. For this project, the specific packages required are speech recognition, Pit63, datetime, and Wikipedia. Installation is simple. Just use the pip install command in your Python terminal. With the setup complete, it's time to code. Start by importing the necessary packages. The first task for your personal assistant is to listen to your commands. The speech recognition package is perfect for this. Next, make the assistant respond to your commands. This is where Pit63 comes into play. This text-to-speech conversion library in Python can convert text to speech, allowing your assistant to talk back to you. The next step involves creating functions for the tasks the assistant will perform. For example, a function for stating the current time or date using the datetime package, or a function for searching Wikipedia using the Wikipedia package. Finally, use a while loop to keep the assistant running indefinitely, listening and responding to commands as it receives them. To summarize, creating a personal assistant involves several steps: installing Python, setting up an IDE, installing necessary packages, and writing code that makes the assistant listen, talk, and perform tasks. So, there you have it, a high-level overview of how to create your own personal assistant using Python. Don't be afraid to dive in and try it out for yourself. After all, the best way to learn is by doing. Remember, Python is a powerful tool with a vast range of applications. With it, the creation of your very own personal assistant is not just possible, it's a rewarding and educational journey into the world of programming. So why wait? Start your Python journey today.